So I'm gonna start cleaning up the side here. So let's get to it. All right, so I'm getting there. Take you for a little tour. That's where I'm at now. Gotta get through here, clean this up. I really want to take this tree down, but it's a lot of work. got this spot finished. Got it packed tight. This is the stream bed here. So I just wanted to make sure I packed this tight so it doesn't erode too much, because I loosened it up and dug that pit. So I just want to pack all that rock in there tight, and it'll hold this section a little better. So the stream will come down running alongside here and probably just find its lowest path right here and out there. So I might cut a little channel here so it doesn't pond up here. It's got to go over this hump, so probably smooth this out a little bit right here, or just dig it out a little bit and make a channel for it, so it goes this way and just out into the coffee field, into their property. So, got through there. I just have to take out one of those roots to get the fence by there. We'll just cut it with the chainsaw. But it's looking good. I mean, that pile is gonna stay. That's pretty good with that. I mean, I'm just gonna leave it. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. So this is a few months later. The weeds are coming in to this area. I gotta get on it. So this is that fence line that I was clearing. I got the water line in, as you can see. And I'm working on the fence right now. Got this mulch pile covered. And I still got that pile of rocks over here. So this is where I went through, cleared. This is a little sneak peek on what I'm up to right now. It is the rainy season, so it's really muddy. Can't get a lot of work done right now, but you can see I got water ponding up all over the place. I'm working on this exit of the stream here, making kind of a ditch, reshaping it and packing a lot of rock into it. So check out another video coming out soon on this area. I'm gonna be building a few, or probably just one pad here, maybe two. We'll see. I might just do one big pad here. I'm gonna take down this tree and level this out. This is gonna be for a big greenhouse for my farm. So this is a nice level spot already. Pretty soft ground, so I'm not sure what else to do with it. So I'm gonna probably strip a lot of this dirt out of here, and I'm gonna take a lot of that rock that's in the pile up there, and I'm gonna pile it up down here, and I'm gonna bring my hydraulic hammer and I'm gonna break it up into smaller rock, and I'm gonna pack it into this area because it's pretty soft. Instead of buying rock, which is really expensive here, I'm gonna use that rock since I got a huge pile and just use it to my advantage. It's gonna take a little time to hammer it down to smaller rock, but it'll be a lot cheaper, and I got the equipment to do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll show you guys the process on that. That'll be a cool project. You can see I'm pretty muddy right now. It's so soft I can barely walk in this area. So, all right, well, hope you guys liked the video again. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.